Eye-catching visuals and styles like watercolor or digital art are everywhere, from Instagram to TikTok. One of the easiest ways to create them is with AI tools like ChatGPT, Grok, or similar image generators. In this video, brought to you by DWB.ae, a leading web and app design company in Dubai, we'll show you how to create a stunning AI-generated watercolor portrait in just a few simple steps. If you enjoy creative tech tutorials like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Step 1. Choose the right AI tool. Start by selecting a reliable image generation platform. Great options include DALL-E, built into ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other tools that support text-to-image capabilities. Tools like Grok also allow you to use natural language prompts to create visual content. Step 2. Upload a base image. Next, upload a high-quality photo. Make sure the face is clearly visible. This helps the AI model retain essential facial features while applying the artistic watercolor style. Here's the photo we used for our demonstration. Step 3. Send a prompt to generate the watercolor portrait. After uploading your image, you'll need to write and send a clear, descriptive prompt. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Full prompt used in this tutorial is included in the video description. Step 4. Customize the colors in your prompt. Within your prompt, you can personalize the image by specifying your preferred color. For instance, if you like soft blues, you could say, emphasize soft blue tones, especially in clothing and background. Other great options include olive green, beige, lavender, or even pastel combinations, all of which can give your portrait a unique and polished look. Here's the AI-generated image we got using the blue tone. Pro tips for the best results: use a well-lit image, natural lighting works best. Be specific in your prompt, details matter. Keep the background simple, white or plain backgrounds help highlight the portrait. And there you have it. An easy way to turn an ordinary photo into a beautiful, watercolor-style portrait using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DWB.ae for more tutorials on how to blend creativity with technology. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.